Hello friends, this is Vishesh. Welcome to my channel Excel Mirror. In today's session, we are going to learn how we can insert an empty row between each of my employee name. In your case, maybe any of the data value or the names. So this we are going to do without using any macro or any VBA code. So without wasting time, let's get started. So to insert an empty row, we are going to use very adjacent column of your data set. So in my scenario here, the column D is the adjacent column in my data set. So I'll use this cell. This is very next cell where my data point add in the first row. So here I will insert the number series 1, 2, 3 and so on. So I don't want this to do manually, so I'm using the fill handle tool to fill the number series. So I'll just double click on this. It will fill the number series. I'll just copy the same series and paste it downward in the same column. After doing that, I just need to give a header to this column. So I'm just giving the header name as series. Now I will sort this column in ascending order. For doing that, I'll go to the sort option and select the very first option, sort smallest to largest. Once I click on this, you can see the magic. You can see an empty row between each of my employee name, right? That is what we want. Now column D is no more required for us, so I'm just selecting the column and delete the values, and our task is done. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the new video notification in your inbox. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe.